So the OnePlus Nord is nearly official. There's so much hype and anticipation for this device. So what makes this smartphone so special? Guys, here are the top 10 features you're gonna see in the OnePlus Nord. Number 1. Not just a smartphone. So the OnePlus Nord is not just a phone, it's the starting of a new series, new lineup which is gonna target different audience. This is the beginning of new era and new devices. OnePlus is officially working on different range of devices under this series. The next one is coming with Snapdragon 690 CPU, so let's wait. Number 2. That display. So there are not many smartphones which features dual hole punch AMOLED display along with 90Hz refresh rate. Yeah, I really like how OnePlus is keeping their promise and using 90Hz default, and that along with Samsung's panel. There's also 180Hz touch sampling rate for an amazing response, so it's a flagship grade display. Next is that front-facing selfie shooter. So this is the first time OnePlus is using dual front-facing selfie shooters. Yeah, they look not so good in design. However, this is a 32 megapixel selfie shooter, the highest resolution, and you're also getting a wide-angle shooter for group selfies. The Xiaomi Poco X2 and many other devices use depth on front for bokeh, but using wide-angle is the best combination. Number 4. Flagship level main camera. So OnePlus says we are using the flagship level camera sense along with OIS in the OnePlus Nord. This one is coming with IMX586, which is not bad. It's there in the OnePlus 8, 7 Pro, and the optical image stabilization is gonna help you capturing non-blurry shots. Number 5. Oxygen OS. So main selling point of this smartphone is gonna be Oxygen OS at an affordable never seen price. MIUI versus Realme UI versus even stock cannot match the performance of Oxygen OS. In the long term usage, you won't find any lags or hiccups while using this interface. Yeah, also there are no ads or bloatwares which might ruin your experience. Number 6. Snapdragon 765G 5G CPU. So this is the top tier variant of 7 series Qualcomm CPU, which is gonna give you an amazing performance. It's not as good as 865 flagship processor, you won't find any lags or hiccups. It works like in between the 845 and 855 flagship CPU. The 845 had heating issues, the 855 is no doubt amazing, but 765 is also great with 5G integration. Yeah, the GPU is okayish I would say, but the performance is nice. Number 7. That charging speed. So the OnePlus Nord comes with a 4115 mAh battery which can easily go great. Here's a screenshot showcasing you the optimization and how long it can go. And OnePlus is using 30 watts fast charging, so it will take 1 hour 10-15 minutes for 0 to 100%. Number 8. Some amazing cases and decent color options. So the OnePlus Nord comes in blue, AK, teal and onyx grey, and there's also one in matte finish ash grey. And I like the overall design. The best part is OnePlus is launching some amazing cases. We have the internal hardware case, some colorful cases like this chain thing, and yeah, you just cannot miss the sandstone ones. Number 9. The small add-ons. This may go unnoticed, but OnePlus Nord uses LPDDR4X RAM, which is great, and there's 8 plus 12 gigs option. You also get NFC, which is important nowadays, and this is a glass panel, not a glass stick, which is plastic, which Samsung uses even in the expensive Galaxy A phones. Exciting news is OnePlus is also launching same color OnePlus Buds, which is their first ever TWS. You can see the amazing accent it has and the color options. Looks amazing, guys. And finally, number 10, all this at an affordable price. So the basic idea is to give flagship level features, if not the CPU, but camera, display, design and software at an affordable price. This is gonna be as low as $430-450 US for 8 gigs model and might go $499 for 12 gigs variant. So that's all guys. Which feature are you excited about? Let me know in the comment section and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.